Spell is the local badge of abracadabra money, a decentralized money DeFi stage that permits clients to stake, loan, and homestead yields, with Spell filling in as the administration and utility token to open different highlights and advantages inside the environment. Assuming that you're searching for Spell token cost expectations estimate for 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to know where the cost of Spell token Spell will go from now on. We will examine the previous costs of Spell token Spell, and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you really want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also, anticipating something so amazing is totally incomprehensible. In any case, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Spell token is $789 and Spell is at present positioned #452 in the whole crypto biological system. The core supply of Spell token is 107,405, 628,969 with a market cap of $84, 795, 553. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 1% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we think about the ongoing business sector cap of the Spell with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down. Spell token is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The Spell is down to nearly 14.5% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for recent days. The coin could areas of strength for have at the same time. We don't believe that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. We anticipate future Spell token cost expectation Spell figure by applying profound man-made reasoning help specialized examination on the past value information of Spell token. We give our all to gather most extreme verifiable information for the Spell coin, which incorporate numerous boundaries like past value, Spell token market cap, Spell token volume, and barely any more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, try to peruse our forecasts. Spell token value expectation rundown. The negative cost expectation for Spell token Spell in 2025 is $0.14, with a possible high of $0.17. There is potential for Spell token cost to encounter a huge flood, coming to as high as $1.14 toward the finish of 2030. The typical extended cost for Spell token in 2040 is supposed to be $1.4559, with expected fluctuations somewhere in the range of $4,200 and $5,280. As of the most recent update, Spell token is exchanging at around $7.9. Long-haul investigation proposes that Spell token cost might actually flood to $0.6708 by 2050. Spell token value forecast 2024. According to the Gauge and Specialized Examination, in 2024 the cost of Spell token is supposed to reach at least value worth of $998. The Spell cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $0.011 with the typical worth of $1. Spell token value forecast 2025. The cost of Spell token is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $0.14 in 2025. The Spell token cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.117 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.14 all through 2025. Spell value conjecture for 2026. The cost of Spell token is anticipated to reach at least worth of $0.821 in 2026. The Spell token cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0.04 with a typical exchanging cost of $0.22 all through 2026. Spell token Spell value expectation 2027. The cost of one Spell token is supposed to reach at least degree of $0 in 2027. The Spell cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.37 with the typical cost of $931 all through 2027. Spell token value forecast 2028. The cost of Spell token is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $942 in 2028. The Spell token cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $952 with the typical cost of $243 all through 2028. Spell token value expectation 2029. Spell token cost is conjectured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $961 in 2029. According to our discoveries, the Spell cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $974 with the typical conjecture cost of $963. Spell token Spell value forecast 2030. Spell token cost is estimated to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $1.8 in 2030. According to our discoveries, the spell cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $1.14 with the typical conjecture cost of $1.91. Spell token value gauge 2831. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of spell, in 2031 the cost of spell token is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.119. The spell cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.152 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.124. Spell token spell value forecast 2032. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of spell, in 2032 the cost of spell token is gauged to be at around a base worth of $177. The spell token value worth can arrive at a limit of $207 with the typical exchanging worth of $1.04 in USD. Spell token value expectation 2033. According to the conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2033 the cost of spell token is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $248. The spell cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $5 with the typical exchanging cost of $257. Spell token value conjecture 2040. Looking at verifiable execution gives setting, yet it is essential to perceive that previous exhibition isn't characteristic of future outcomes. According to the figure and specialized examination, in 2040 the cost of spell token is supposed to reach at least value worth of $4,200. The spell cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $5,280 with the typical worth of $4,559. Spell value conjecture for 2050. Understanding business sector patterns and feelings is essential, however opinion can be flighty. Inspecting current market elements can offer experiences into potential cost developments. However, taking into account the more extensive ecosystem is fundamental. In 2050, the most extreme cost of spell token is supposed to reach $0.6708, with a typical exchanging worth of $0.6087. The base cost is projected to be around $5.809. Spell token value figure facts. How high can spell token go? The typical cost of spell token spell could go to $and before the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it is assessed that the coin will effortlessly come to the $3 mark. What is the spell token cost today? Today, spell token spell is exchanging at $789 with the market cap of $84, $795, $553,000. What amount will spell token be worth in 5 years? In 5 years, spell token will have a base cost of $1.52 and a greatest cost of $1.42 per spell. Since spell token is exchanged on a market interest premise, its worth vacillates radically. What will be the spell most elevated estimate cost for 2024? The spell cost is supposed to arrive at a most extreme degree of $1.11 toward the finish of 2024. Is spell